This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on the Mac and signing in with your Apple ID. This syncs iCloud and settings across devices. Once signed in, open System Settings and install any Mac OS updates so apps behave predictably. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected and set up Touch ID or a strong password for quick, secure access. Finally, enable Time Machine and choose an external drive. Backing up now prevents data loss later, and it makes recovery straightforward. You'll spend most time in Finder and Apps, so arrange folders and tag files for easy retrieval. Once Finder is tidy, install essential apps from the App Store or directly from trusted developers. Grant permissions like Files or Camera when prompted so features work. Next, customize the dock and mission control to switch tasks quickly and create keyboard shortcuts for repetitive actions. By tailoring these elements, you reduce friction throughout the day and keep your workspace efficient. You finish setup by scheduling regular maintenance. Verify Time Machine backups and clear storage via System Settings to prevent slowdowns. If an app misbehaves, open Activity Monitor to identify high CPU or memory use, then quit or restart the app. When that fails, reboot into safe mode to isolate extensions. Make sure File Vault is enabled for disk encryption so data stays secure. If the Mac won't boot, you can use Recovery Mode to reinstall Mac OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.